line halfway between the min and max. Halfway between the min and max of our graph. So if we put that into equation, it's min plus the max divided by 2. So up here, we had 1 and we had -1 because we're in the unicycle, and the radius of the unicycle is what? What's the radius of the unicycle? 1. That's why it's +1 and -1. So the midline here would be what? What's in the middle of y at 1 and y at -1? 0. Midline is right here, which is our x-axis. And for transformations, this is our k value. We're not really going to talk about k values in this class. You can talk about that if you move on to pre-calc. Let's say we have 4. The k. This is my max. This is my min. I'm bringing a line down, line down. This value is called amplitude. Which is our next word, amplitude. And it's our a value when we talk about transformations. So amplitude is the distance from the midline to the max or min. To the max or min value. And this is also known as the radius of a circle. So amplitude is our A in transformations. Okay, thumbs up when you're done writing. We got 3 new vocab words. We're going to talk about another one in a second. Okay. Keep writing if you can, if you want to. But we're going to talk about the transformations. For cosine and sine. So y equals, call this A. We got sine, and we got cosine. We have 2 transformations. We have A and we got a B. Does anyone remember what A does to a graph? Okay, what about B? What do you think, Sunny? Horizontally or vertically? Okay, okay. Let's test it on. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Okay, we have our 2 functions. I'm gonna get it right back at 1. Right back at 1. We have what curve right now? Even though you can kind of see it. Sine curve. Okay, I need 2 people to play around with the sliders. Elijah, Ronaldo. Landon and Mike will be the next 2. Okay, go. You're doing A and B.
Which one you want?
Okay, which one do you want to do?
I'll do A.
Okay, what happened when you made it negative? Over what axis? Yep, flipped over the x-axis. Keep going. What's happening? Lily, what's happening?
Sweet.
Which way? Vertically or horizontally? Yep. Okay, put it back at 1.
Alright. There.
Which way? Horizontally or vertically? Yes. Okay. There's something else that's also happening. Go to the negatives. Try it one more time. Go to positive. X or Y? Everyone's opinion. Flipping over the X or flipping over the Y? Yep, flipping over the x-axis. So make them both negative. And we're back at our original sine function. So if we flip it twice over the x-axis, we're just getting back to the original. Okay, put them both back at once. Oh, that's not one. Close to it. Okay, next two. Michael and Landon. You still want to do it? That's okay. Okay, I guess you're not getting chocolate. Get up there. Who wants to do the second one?
Kennedy. My bad.
Okay, change it.
Negative or positive?
Whichever way you want. Okay, what's happening with A? Flipping over the x-axis. Stretching. Or compressing. Cool. To the back of 1. Positive. Compressing or stretching? Stretching. And go to negative. Did it flip? Did it flip? No. It does not flip over the x-axis when b is negative. It does flip over when a is negative, but not when b is negative. That's because cosine is an even function. Not really talk about that, but no, it's not gonna flip over. Okay. What? Sine is an odd function. Then it does flip.
Oh.
Okay. It flips for A. It doesn't flip for B. Sine it flips for both. Because it's an odd. Oh, Elijah. I was like, who was the last one? Okay, then give it to Sunny. Okay. Okay. Let's write this one down. A for both of them. They both do the same thing. So for both A's. What was happening, Ronaldo, when you changed A?
It was flipping.
Okay, what was, so in negative A, we flip over x-axis. When A was greater than 1, we had a vertical stretch. when a was a fraction, so in between 0 and in between 1, we had a vertical compression. Kennedy, how was b changing our functions? Okay. Back here. I'll put it back. What's happening horizontally? Yep, it's compressing. So we have a horizontal compression for b, and only for sine, so I'm going to put it up here. When we have a negative b, we flip over the x-axis. You guys have such low energy. You're so quiet. So weird. What's up, Michael? If we're in between -1 and 0, yeah, it's still compressing. So it's kind of having, amplitude is going to have an absolute value symbol around it when we think about min or max. But if it's negative, we do know that flips over the x-axis. Yeah. Okay. We have one more new word to go over. I'll leave that there. Okay. Last one is frequency. So frequency of these curves. Frequency. What? Yeah. Okay. How about frequency? This is the reciprocal of a period. So it's written as F equals 1 over P. P is for what? Period. Okay, Naomi, I'm scooching down a little bit. Okay. So frequency is the number of complete cycles in a certain amount of time. We'll go more in depth with that with the next example. Okay. Ready to graph one? Not yet. Okay, that's fine. We got 3 new words. We're going to use all of them to graph a function. Lily, shake RJ. He was like, don't touch me. Okay, scooching down a little bit. Example function. We are starting with y equals 2 cosine of 3x. I'm going to start with 4 different things. We know 3 of them right now. No. Don't look at it already. 1. Always start with our period. What is my formula for period? 2 pi over absolute value of b. What is b in this case? For y, what's b? The 3. Yep, what's ever inside affecting x. So we have 2 pi over 3. So period is 2 pi over 3. This just means I have one complete cycle from 0 to 2 pi thirds. So one complete cycle. From 0 to 2 pi thirds. So before we had a complete cycle from 0 to pi, 0 to 2 pi, now we're shrinking it down to 2 pi thirds. And we have a complete cycle of cosine within there. Yeah. Okay, guess what's next? Good try. Amplitude. We're not going to really calculate midpoint in this class. Okay, amplitude. What is my amplitude here? Yep, my A value, so it's 2. So that just tells us I have a max at 2 and a min where? -2. Third one is frequency. Sunny, what's my formula for frequency? Yep, 1 over p. So that's 1 over 2 pi thirds. How do I simplify a fraction like this? Landon, what should I do? I got a weird... Yep, simplify it. Yep, keep, change, flip. Then do 1 times change division to multiplication and then flip. So 3 over 2 pi. Which Elijah is just what? What is that if I multiply those two together? 3 over 2 pi. So in words, that just means I'm going to have 3 complete periods from 0 to 2 pi. So 3 whole cosine curves in between 0 and 2 pi. Okay, last one. Not 4, what? Okay, start. This one's really important. This is going to help us get nice graphing points. I'm going to do it every time. This is called a jump. A jump, in this case, is written as p over 4. What is p for? What is it, Kenny? Period. And what is my period in this case? Scooch up a little bit. A little more than just 3. What is my period in this case? What is it equal to? Yep, 2 pi thirds over 4. So I do the same thing. Keep, change, flip. So 2 pi divided by 3 times 1 over 4. Angel, what does that simplify down to? 2 pi over 12. Yep, keep simplifying. Pi over 6. Great, that means each time in my table, I'm adding a pi 6. So I get nice, even points. Okay, we found everything we need to know to graph this. Let's start with the table. Which one, Landon? Jump? Okay, I'll just keep jump. Okay. 3-column table. For at least the first time we're doing this. It did not need to be this big. Lily, what is the easiest point to always start at? 0. Yep. So I'm going to have 0 as my theta for my function, which is 2 cosine of 3 x. So this is technically x. And this is whatever y is coming out. Okay, who has their unit on them? Yep, everyone take them out. Unless you have it memorized, then you're good. You don't even have it? You're lucky, I'm nice. Okay. 2 cosine of 3 times 0. What is 3 times 0? What is cosine at 0? 1. Yep, we're looking at the coordinate. So we're at 0 radians. What is the coordinate there? 1, 0. So then we have 2 times 1, which is 2. Yep. Okay. For my jump, it's telling us that we need to go up by a plus pi 6 each time. So 0 plus pi 6 is pi 6. Add another pi 6, where am I at? Two pi 6? Okay, and what's it simplified to?
Pi.
Yep, pi thirds. Okay, so add another pi 6. Where am I at?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, pi over.
So I went from 0 to pi 6.
0 pi 6.
Then I add another pi 6, so I'm at 2 pi 6. Add another pi 6.
3 pi 6.
Wait, 3 pi 6. What does that simplify down to?
Pi over.
You good. You got it.
Oh, pi over 2.
Yep, pi over 2. So that's just pi over 2. Pi over 2. Now I always need 5 points. I'm at 1, 2, 3, 4. I need one more. Add another pi 6. You just added a pi halves. Yep, 2 pi thirds. Any questions on how we got our x points? Or how we got any of our x values? No. Okay, then let's plug them in. Okay. 2 cosine of 3 times pi 6. What is 3 times pi 6? Yep, pi 2. What is cosine at pi 2? Everyone look on the unit circle. We're at pi halves. What is the coordinate pi halves? What is the cosine value there? 0. So it's just equals 0. Okay, next one is 2 cosine of 3 times pi thirds. Freddie, what is 3 times pi thirds? So I got 3 times pi thirds. What is it equal to? Multiply right across. Yep, 3 pi thirds. And if I simplify that, what happens to the 3's? Yep, so I'm just at pi. So everyone look at pi on their sheet. What's my coordinate there? -1, 0. And what is cosine? Right, so then what is 2 times -1? -2. Okay, Landon, ready for the next one? Yep. 2 cosine of 3 times pi halves. Well,
pi halves.
yep, 3 pi halves. So 2 cosine of 3 pi halves. What is cosine at 3 pi halves? Everyone look at the unit circle. What is cosine at 3 pi halves? 0. So what is 0 times 2? 0. So we got 0. Okay, last one. Who wants to do my last one? Angel, thank you. You want to do the last one? 2 cosine of 3 times 2 pi thirds. What is the middle simplified to here? Yep. 6 pi over 3, so simplify that one more time. Yep, 2 pi. What is cosine at 2 pi? Yep. So 2 times 1 equals 2. Great. Any questions about how we got any of the values? Yeah, Michael. Yep. As long as you keep seeing the pattern, you do it. Yep. You don't have to do the middle column at all. We're just doing it now so we know how to do the math. Okay, I want you to do a number line and graph it on your own. Oops, that was bad. What should be my highest y value? What should be my lowest? -2. Okay, go ahead, graph it. Graph one full cycle of this cosine curve. Let's start with pi 6. So 0, let's do pi 6. And then let's do pi thirds. And then pi halves. And then 2 pi thirds. Make your scale. Yeah. You gotta remind me though. Where should we start? So we're at 0 on our x, so 0. And I gotta go y. So I go up 2. So that should be our starting one. Kenny, where's my second point supposed to be? Okay, pi 6, and then go up or down? No, so it's right there. Kyle, where's my next point supposed to be? So down there. And then I go up, and then I go up. Yeah. So our graph should look something, oops, like this. If you have this graph 2 more complete cycles of this until you get to 2 pi. So extend out and graph 2 more cycles of this until you get all the way to 2 pi. We're gonna do 2 more complete cycles. Kenny, did you graph it? The other cycles?
So it physically looks like if you took health, I have such every time I give it, like this, we get all three. But I switched to
Yeah, I'll put in the pi 6. Okay, do we get our cycles? I went to most of you did. Any questions about how we kept going? Hawaii, how many complete cycles of cosine do I have going all the way to 2 pi? Look back up your frequency. What did we say up in our frequency? 3. So I took this curve and I shifted over one more time and another time. So 3 complete cosine curves. So this is why my frequency is 3 over 2 pi. Any questions about it? Okay, well, we're going to try another one. It's up on the board. Do you want to do the notes or up on the boards? Okay, boards it is. Let's get our groups. Same groups as yesterday. That's not groups. That's a warm-up problem. You're not. Geometry. That's why. Algebra. Oh, yeah. Brain break. What do you want to do for brain break? Lily already asked me too.
Not the most game.
You hate this game, Sunny. Because you always lose. Okay, do you want to play cards or something else? Okay.
No.
I need a deck of cards. Oh. That doesn't count. Lock in. Which one do you think is going to be? Ronaldo, you want to shuffle? Okay, good. Because I got this thing working. Okay, black or red? Yeah, go ahead. I'll shuffle better. So.
shuffle better. Okay, let's see your shuffle.
Oh. Are you black or are you gonna be red?
How was that better?
I don't know. I didn't even see shuffle. Okay, so everyone's picking red. Practically everyone. Watch everybody lose for a second. RJ, up above. Up above. No. Are you ready? Black wins. Red, sit down. Okay, higher or lower? Yep.
What was over there?
Yeah, that's what I pointed to, yeah.
I didn't see it.
Lower,
I thought it was gonna be
lower, higher.
I don't think it's gonna be an ace. Wait, lower or higher?
This is lower.
What are the chances? What do you think the chances are? No. Kennedy, you're still in. You're still in. Yeah, Kennedy won. Okay, one more. Up. Black or red?
Quit. Quit the skin.
I'm gonna cut it so I at a different point.
Damn it, it's gonna be red.
Black or red? Black's over here, red's over there. Okay, pick your sides. Red. Black, sit down. Okay, higher or lower? No one wants to move to higher? All face cards or an ace? Okay. Lower. Okay, in between or outbound? In between these two cards or outside of these two cards? Between, outside. In between. So you guys win. You guys sit down. Okay, last one, suits. We only got 3 people left. Diamonds, hearts, spades, clubs. Diamonds, hearts, spade, clubs. So you're in hearts. I think it's spades. I'm already in spades. Hearts! Give me one. Good. Okay, that's actually, we almost have a run. Okay. Sunny, one more time. You're gonna win this one.
No, 1-9. Okay, fine, let's do one more.
One more. Okay, black or red? Black, red. That's red. Black, red.
Go black.
I just shuffled again.
I hate this game.
Middle people, what are we picking? Are you red? Okay. Black
Yes.
wins. Sit down, red. I'm sorry. Okay, higher or lower? Higher or lower? That's fair. Lower. Okay. In between or outbound? Inbound, outbound. Yep.
No way. There's always a face. Or like,
No one's picking.
it's either 1,
Out.
2, king.
Okay, in.
Okay.
Okay, now pick your suits. Diamonds, heart, spades, clubs.
Where's diamonds?
Diamonds is the door. Yep. Joining me in spades. Okay. Kennedy, which one do you think it is? Clubs? I never pick clubs. I either do diamonds or spades. Yeah. Okay, ready? Spades! You guys win. Wait, Naomi. I will accidentally steal your cards, so take them with you. Okay, up into groups. You don't have to sit back down. Up into groups.
Holy cardio.
Those are your groups. We're gonna do sign now. Oh yeah, you can erase anything. Okay, it's up on the board. It's your problem.
That works. I was pointing at that big purple one on the top.
Oh.
I don't know. I'm starting.
What is it?
It's right there.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Good.
Yeah. That is so true.
Ronaldo.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, write down the function at the top of your sheet. And then I'm gonna give. Oh, wait. Let's just do that. There you go. Huh?
The X.
What?
The X. Some of the X. So I guess in your denominator.
Period. Oh. It's 2 pi over the absolute value of p, which is. What is it? Where's the biggest? Oh. 2 pi over 1/4.
Oh.
And that's.
I eat it. Yeah. Keep change book.
What's that? 29? Is that 29?
No, it's 2 pi.
Why are you judging my
Your
I'm
pie
not
is
judging.
nice. See what my pie
I
looks
just didn't know
like?
your pie was. I'm sorry.
I'll show you what my pie looks like.
Sign here, switch bag.
What the heck is that?
I've drawn it like that since 4th.
Oh, wait. Okay.
Yeah, I'm not gonna.
What is that? Over 1/4? Is that like 8?
Which guys?
We're trying to divide this. Wait, what is this?
2 pi.
So I put group over there.
What is that? 4 pi over 4 pi?
That's like 8 pi.
What? 8 pi. 8 pi
Just
over 1.
do
If you
the math
divide-
on
if
the
you
board.
divide by a
I
fraction,
don't know what's going on.
if you divide by a fraction, you're multiplying.
Yes.
Okay.
Change flip. I tried to teach you flip.
No. Yeah.
2 pi? Is it 2 pi divided by 1/4? Okay, yeah. So 8 pi.
Yeah, I don't know, guys. I do math on boards, not in my head, so I have no idea.
Double divide.
Okay, it's okay though.
It's too much. I can't do this.
I like being over here. Look at this.
Wait, what's the A? 3, right?
Amp.
3. So, max is 3.
Yep.
And then frequency.
Now you do the change book. Right? Yeah. Wait, yes.
F? Repeat.
Over.
Yeah. I think.
Yeah, good.
Is that it?
How do you guys know the amplitude? Oh, this?
Change that.
Okay.
Amplitude is A.
Cool.
Yeah.
So use an amplitude.
So can we just guess where it goes?
1/4. Yeah.
This is 3. Three, 3, 3, no?
I don't know.
I think that's.
We're jumping by 4 pi.
This whole week's been a blur. I have no idea.
Well, 4 pi's like 2 circles, no? 2 circles.
My toes are cold.
Is that right?
I think that's right.
Pretty sure.
I trust you.
I don't.
Where, wait, no, you didn't. Where's the other one for? You just put.
E over 4. E is 8 pi.
What? Oh, B day behind?
Cutie pie.
Is that right? Is that the thing?
That's not even.
pi?
That's a 4. They're like,
Oh, they're not there.
That guy was going
They're
fast.
not the same.
Trying to flat.
Wait. Well, wait, yeah, why?
Need the middle.
And then,
What about the middle?
so at 0,
What's with this stupid
it jumps
not
by
middle?
4 pi.
what do we do with the 4 pi? Do you just plug it back into. Oh, okay, I see.
But this is sine, right? So it starts at 0. Right? Okay.
Is it though?
Yes.
No, because look, why isn't this not 0?
This is cosine, so it starts at the jump. Or it starts at,
I don't know what that means. I don't know sine and cosine means.
cosine.
When you cosine something
Sine,
like a
it
car.
starts at 0, and you cosine, it starts at the radius.
What if I do that?
Yeah. Yeah?
Sure.
Split a ring. Oh, it's
That's
not.
what I want.
Miss Sweet. Miss Sweet. Can I turn it off? No, it's her phone.
3. So, and then,
Miss Sweet.
uh,
Can I turn it off?
4 pi?
A little something.
Okay, you jump by 4 pi. So that's 4 pi.
It's not mine. I didn't want to touch it.
It's okay.
Three.
Yeah, because
That's not mine, but I touched it.
3's and negative 3's.
We're plugging 4 pi back into x. Are we putting 4 pi back into this x? Solely.
What's X?
Yes.
So that's the.
You take period
Yeah, pi, right? 2 pi.
Yeah,
jump is
pi.
the period that you found
3 times pi. 3
divided
pi.
by
Wait, no. Okay, pi. Pi is at negative 1, 0. The sine of that is 0. 3 times 0 is 0.
so take this.
Wait, right? Yeah.
I would
Wait, no. They started at 0.
That's what I said. And then the next thing that I do when I'm doing this is I do the jump. And you take this and you divide it by what? Or I like to give it multiply by 4.
Yeah.
I mean, I didn't mean to steal it, but as much writing as you can do to keep your thoughts straight.
Or is it negative 3?
Negative.
Wait.
Oh, we can add us.
Okay.
So I gotta give you a homework.
Then you can work.
Yeah.
When it's sine, it starts at 0, right?
It's gonna start at 0, 0. Yeah.
Okay.
And then go from there.
But when we plug in the jump to 4 pi, then we also get 0.
So what is 8 divided by 4?
2 pi.
Yeah. So always.
If you guys correct me.
I looked at it. I said I heard 2 pi.
Okay. Yeah, so plug in 2 pi. 1/4 of 2 pi is just half pi. 1/2.
Okay, so I plug back in. That's
So
that's 1/2 pi.
pi over 2.
Pi over 2.
Pi over 2 is at 0, 1. 3 times 1 is 3. See?
Wait.
I told you. I told you.
So
And then you just and then it goes back to 0, and then put another jump by 4 pi.
Oh my gosh.
You're jumping by 4 pi each time. And
No.
it's like 0.
I get that one, but I don't get how
Okay.
you looked at this.
Everyone, time out for a second. We have homework due tomorrow. It's up on the boards. 7.3, page 370. We're doing 5, 6, 10, 13 to 15, and then 17 and 18. That's your homework.
Is the board?
That's, yeah.
Is what we're 0, 1. And what's the sign? Cosine, sine. Okay.
I would unfreeze it in a second.
I don't know what this is.
You want to unfreeze it for me? Just hit the mute button. Again. Like longer.
Why?
There you go. Right there.
So sine of pi over 2 is 1. Because that's
Right there.
the y coordinate. Pi over 2. Yes? If this was cosine.
We're going to practice some more graphing.
Cosine is x or y?
X.
Okay, so what is it? Pi over 2. So that's like saying when it's sine pi over 2, that's just saying it's the y value at pi over 2.
Like it's 3.
Because
Zero.
you have to multiply it by 3 at the end. Okay,
Ronaldo. Bye. See you in geometry.
Pretty easy to table. You don't even have to do the work for them.
Well, no, as long as you have the period and the jump
Yeah.
and the amplitude.
Yeah, it's time.